So how do you like your key lime pie? Do you like it really tart? Do you like it really sweet? You can take this recipe and kind of make it into your own if you'd like to. You take some condensed milk, the base of pretty much every key lime pie recipe I've ever seen. And it's thick and it's sweet. And then you add your fresh squeezed lime juice to it. And I like to add 4 yolks and 1 whole egg. Lime zest gives it more of a lime flavor, not the acidity, however, the whole lime. And then finally, one little addition which is new for me, I decided to add a little bit of milk. And the reason why I'm adding the milk is because it kind of desensitizes it a little bit and just softens the whole thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a whisk to combine all this together. And to my right, I have a very typical graham cracker, butter, sugar mixture. So everything's been mixed together. I'm gonna let this sit here and thicken. After it thickens, you're just gonna pour it and bake it. I put it into a fridge after it's come to room temperature, after it's baked. And this is what my pie looks like. So I'm gonna cut a little piece of this. The first cut of pie is always the hardest to get out. Make sure you go down underneath, get all that goodness, because it's so creamy, yet it's still nice and set. Serve it with a little bit of fresh whipped cream like so, and make somebody very happy. I'll see you later. I gotta get into this. The taste of the Florida Keys is just a step away. Go to ChuckPleaseFL.com for my key lime pie recipe.